Ladies and gentlemen, Tipsy Army Submissions number 2. So what this is, we take drinks from you guys and make them. Snake in the grass, okay? Ice. Ice. These are your submissions. Come behind it with peach snaps, loving it. Follow it up with a little bit of triple sec. Okay, see where you're going here. Melon liqueur. Nice bad boy. Sweet and sour. And then we come behind and we stir that, okay? Top this with Mountain Dew. Alright. Okay. Snake in the grass. A little bit of lemon lime soda too, dude. You got everything in here. Put a little lemon slice on the side, stick a straw in this, and this was submitted by Brandon. He didn't tell us his full name, alright? This is the poor man's Long Island iced tea. Let me see what makes this a poor man's Long Island iced tea. I love the names that you guys come up with. Ice, followed by some Vladimir Putin, a touch. A little bit of gin, Queen's favorite. Some Lipton iced tea. Oh, he's using iced tea. Why you call it a poor man's iced tea is because the Long Island usually requires a lot more liquor. So you'd have to buy more bottles to make that one. You could get away with this one pretty easily. Really creative, my child. I love it. I love it. You got to put your name there so we can credit you. So this is the poor man's Long Island iced tea. Okay, so this is Tommy's CUCKOO juice. Okay, ice in the glass. All right, followed by a little bit of Vladimir. Some coconut rum. Okay, some 99 bananas. Okay, this is potent. 99 bananas is 50% alcohol basically. Some Hypnotic. Pineapple juice, orange juice, cranberry juice. Any more juices you got in there? Give this a nice little stir. It's a cool little mix. It's a cool little mix. I like what you guys doing here. Put an orange slice on the side. And this was submitted to us by Tommy Schuster. Love it, Tommy. This one is the Purple Galaxy. Okay, that really looks extraterrestrial, so I'll give you credit for color. Okay, start with some grenadine. Bottom of our glass. Plunk in some ice. Then we follow up with a little bit of Vladimir Putin. Come behind with some Island Boy, some coconut rum. A little bit of peach snaps. Sweeten her up. Okay. A blue curacao to add a bit of color, okay? I don't go anywhere without my blue curacao. Excelente. And now we add some strawberry lemonade to this bad boy. Love the color. There's some crazy colors in there. A little lemon slice. And this again was submitted to us by Brandon. Brandon, you got 2 in here. Good job, homeboy. By the way, those straws right there are biodegradable. They will not kill any turtles, okay? Tasting, tasting, tasting. All right. Okay. Taste, 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 taste. Can't tell which one's the best. Wow, Nelly spill it. All right. But they're all good. Stay tipsy.